Gazans flock to fence for 63rd week of protest. All eyes on June 23rd Istanbul riot. Morsi killed by Egyptian regime, Sun says. Egypt lets Israeli TV reporter near Morsi's grave site. Trump and Saudi prince discuss Iran escalatory behavior. US seeks closed-door Security Council meeting on Iran. Iran says Trump's strike claims untrue. Key suspect in murder of Khashoggi not put on trial, UN. Erdogan receives new president of Iraqi Kurdish region. Turkish jets hits PKK targets in northern Iraq. Iraq, 10 killed in suicide attack on Baghdad mosque. Qatari Amir arrives in Pakistan on 2-day official visit.